Hi guys, today we have something really cool. It's the MSI OPTIX MAG271CR curved gaming LED monitor. Now this is really an amazing thing to have for review, and I'm really glad that I have the possibility to do something like this. Well, because it's 144 Hz, it's 1 millisecond response time, it's full HD, it's curved, it's LED, it's gaming, and it's a monitor. It has one display port, two HDMI 1.4 ports, and it has two USBs 2.0 and one Type B for communication with the monitor and computer. And the best thing is it has the mystic lights here. Now imagine turning your monitor against the wall and turning off the lights and how it looks brilliant when it shines back from the wall behind your screen. This is something in addition to everything. What does it have? Now let's start with the most important thing. The curvature is 1800R, which means that standard eye curvature is 1000 and something ideal is 3000, but that doesn't mean that 1800 is bad. It means that it's just different curvature. That's all there is to it. Now talking about ports, as I said, it has the HDMI and has display port, two HDMIs and a display port, and it has USBs. As you can see, it's everything nicely packed here down below. As for the panel type, it's a VA panel, and talking about the viewing angle, it's 178 degrees. The surface treatment is anti-glare, and you have 16.7 million colors. Talking about the ports, it has an audio jack, so you can connect your earphone out on the monitor as well. About the control, it has a 5-way OSD navigation joystick here, which you could adjust the monitor as you wish and turn it on and off. Very easy, you don't have all those buttons below, you know, to press and to manage your monitor. This is fairly easy and you could do anything with it as you go. With DisplayPort and HDMI you can achieve full HD resolution and 144 Hz. Now talking about specification, I know it gets kinda dull in a certain way, but it's time to test it out. We're going to play some games, of course. Now I know that camera can't actually catch the exact how it, games and how it works, but we're going to talk about a bit about the design, and we're going to see some gaming on it. The adjustment of the monitor, you could lower it down or push it up, it depends how you wish, and the angle is actually really big. It's not that small tilt for a few degrees, it goes much more, and you could pass through your cables here below to make a decent cable management. The best thing about it, you could wall mount it with the VESA mount 100 times 100 millimeters, so you can make it look nice on the wall, arrange the cables and everything, and it will look still really cool. Now let's go and see how the games react on the monitor, because I really want to see how the colors right from the box look on this monitor. And we're going to play Shadow of Tomb Raider, of course. What else could we play? Let's go.
I can use these to climb out of here.
There it is, guys. We played Shadow of Tomb Raider with the MSI OPTIX MAG271CR, and the colors are really brilliant. And actually, this is the first time I'm using a curved monitor. This is the first time I'm actually testing one, and I have to say I'm pretty satisfied. Even though some people say it's, you know, it's a curved monitor, it's not good. Well, I didn't get any explanation on that problem. But practically I really enjoyed playing the game on a curved 144 Hz 1 millisecond response time, and to be honest, it was really enjoyable. I mean, 27-inch 1080p, and it's really great. Now, the one thing I have to say right from the box, you don't have to adjust too much. You do have to fiddle with some things like, you know, changing the user settings and how to make the screen look while you play, while you game, and that kind of stuff. But still, it's a great monitor right out of the box. You don't have to manage too much stuff while doing the monitor settings to adjust it as you wish for gaming or for work or for anything. And if you have to, choose between gaming and work, you saw how I just switched through the settings, the monitor settings, and just choose whatever I wanted to do and how to adjust it. So guys, this is it. Thank you for watching. This was the video for MSI OPTIX MAG271CR, and that's all there is to it. If you have any question, put a comment below and I'll be glad to answer. Also, I'll put the links for the MSI OPTIX monitor, where to buy it, and directly to the MSI website, and that will be all. Don't forget to sub and like the video, and see you next time, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.